Hello and welcome. Today we will discuss about the plastids under the heading cellular organization. Plastids are a small discoid structures formed in the cytoplasm. They are of three main types. First leucoplasts, second chromoplasts, and third chloroplasts. Have a look at the leucoplasts. Leucoplasts are colorless. Larger leucoplast is called amyloplast, which is responsible for storing a starch. Leucoplasts are found in storage organs where light is not available, that is, underground stem and roots. They are found in parenchymatous cells, embryonic cells, sex cells, and meristematic cells. They are of three kinds. Number 1, amyloplasts. Number 2, elaioplasts. Number 3, proteinoplasts. Amyloplasts are larger plastids containing a starch. Elaioplasts are fats and are found in sweets. Number 3, proteinoplasts. These are store proteins and are found in seeds. Number 2, chromoplasts. These are colored plastids containing colored pigments except the photosynthetic pigment and are responsible for the bright colors of many kinds of fruits, vegetables, flowers, and leaves. Chromoplasts are of different types. Number 1, pioplasts, rhodoplasts, chromatophores of photosynthetic bacteria. Have a look at the pioplast. These plastids are present in brown algae, diatoms, and dinoflagellates. Brown colored pigment, fucoxanthium, is the main pigment along the chlorophyll. However, chlorophyll B is replaced by chlorophyll C. Number 2, rhodoplasts. Rhodoplasts are found in red algae. The red pigment R-phycoerythrin and R-phycocyanin are present along with chlorophyll A. However, chlorophyll B is replaced by chlorophyll D. Number 3, chromatophores of blue-green algae. These are found in blue-green algae. They have C-phycocyanin, C-phycoerythrin, and chlorophyll A. Number 4, chromatophores of photosynthetic bacteria. These are found in purple and non-purple photosynthetic bacteria. These bacteria have purple and red carotenoid pigments. Special types of chlorophylls, bacteriochlorophyll and bacterioviridin, are also found in these bacteria. Number 3, that is chloroplast. It is very important pigments found in the green plants chiefly. These are green plastids. The process of photosynthesis takes place in them. Typically, the chloroplasts of fire plants are discoid or ellipsoidal in shape, 4 to 6 micron in length and 1 to 2 micron thick. The chloroplast is bounded by two unit membranes, each approximately 50 angstrom thin. The thickness of the two membranes, including the space enclosed by them, is approximately 300 angstrom. Internally, the chloroplast is filled with a hydrophilic matrix called a stroma, in which are embedded grana. Each granum has a diameter of 0.25 to 0.8 micron and consists of 5 to 25 disc-shaped grana lamellae, placed one above the other like the stalk of quads. In cross-section, the lamellae are paired to form sac-like structures and have been called thylakoids. Each granum lamella or thylakoid encloses a space called locus. The ends of the disc-shaped thylakoids are called margins, while the continuous membrane between the thylakoids form the partition. Some of the granular lamellae or thylakoids are connected with thylakoids of other granular by somewhat thinner stroma lamellae or freight membrane. These also enclose a space called freight channels. Grana, which are the sites for primary photochemical reaction, contain chlorophylls and other photosynthetic pigments. The dark reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the stroma. The chloroplast molecules or membranes, stroma and granular lamellae, are lipoprotein in nature. Ribosomes and some DNA and some necessary enzymes have also been absorbed in chloroplasts, which give chloroplasts a partial genetic autonomy. In blue-green algae and bacteria, the chloroplasts are absent. In other algae, definite chloroplasts are found, but they are not internally well organized and lack definite grana. According to Park, 1966, plastids are made up of many paracrystalline spheroid particles called quantasomes and are believed to be units of photosynthesis. Each quantasome contains 250 molecules of chlorophyll. The evolutionary origin of chloroplast is currently explained in terms of endosymbiosis. Let's have some formula and types of chloroplast. Chlorophylls. Chlorophyll A. Its formula is C55H72O5N4Mg. That is 75%. It has CH3 group, is found in all photosynthetic organisms except photosynthetic bacteria. Number 2, chlorophyll B. Its formula is C55H76O6N4Mg. That is 25%. It has CHO group instead of CH3 group. Is found in all higher plants and in green algae, but not present in algae of other groups. Chlorophyll C. Its formula is C35H32O5N4Mg. Found in brown algae, that is Phaeophyceae, and diatoms which do not contain chlorophyll B. Number 4, chlorophyll D. Its formula is C54H70O6N4Mg. Found in red algae, that is in the family Rhodoplasts, which do not contain chlorophyll B. Number 5, chlorophyll E. Formula not fully known about this, but found in yellow-green algae, that is in the family Xanthophyceae, which do not contain chlorophyll B. That's the main types of chlorophyll. And have a look another type, but they are very important too. In purple photosynthetic bacteria, another kind of chlorophyll called Bacterial Chlorophyll. The formula of Bacterial Chlorophyll is C55H74O6N4Mg. It is present in bacteria having chlorophyll, whereas in green photosynthetic bacteria, that is Chlorobium chlorophyll, previously known as Bacterioviridin, is found in, but its formula is not well known. In addition to the chlorophyll pigments, carotenoids, that is carotene and xanthophyll, are also found in the chloroplasts. They are hydrocarbon having following formula, such as carotene. Its formula is C40H56 and xanthophyll C40H56O2. In green algae and some other plants like Anthoceras, Sulaginella, isoids, a spherical proteinous body pyrenoid is also present. A starch is stored all around this body. Because of the presence of DNA, chloroplasts are considered as semi-autonomous organelles. That's all about the chloroplast or plastids. Thank you very much.
साथियों, वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। अगर आपको कोई और जानकारी चाहिए तो नीचे दिए गए नंबर पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। जल्द ही मिलते हैं फिर एक नई वीडियो के साथ।